Adding a photo to a video in CapCut is a simple and can be done in just a few steps. So let's get started. Firstly, open CapCut on your device. Firstly, let me just skip this ad. Tap on the skip option available there. Now tap on the new project option available in the blue highlights. Once you tap on the new project, all you have to do is select the video you want to edit. Now scroll through all the videos on your gallery and choose the one you want to edit and tap on the next or add option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once added, so your video is on timeline now, you can see overlay option available there. If you tap on the video, then you won't get to see the option. So here, let me simply tap on the video. The option has been changed, but if you don't tap on the video, then the overlay option is available there. Simply tap on the overlay and tap add overlay and select the photo you want to add from your gallery. The photo will appear on a separate layer above your video on the timeline. Now browse through the video or photo again, and once found, simply tap on it and tap on the add. Now resize or move the photo by pinching and dragging it directly on the previous screen. Use the timeline to adjust how long the photo appears in the video by dragging the edges of the photo clip. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.